Dolls, I'm so excited to be here with you all today because I partnered with FabFitFun seasonal subscription service. And you know, I was sitting here being all bombed out about my leg, and you know, that's a whole nother video. But anyhow, I was feeling really down and out about my leg and everything, and then my spring box arrived from FabFitFun. So I'm so excited, and I'm in a way better mood now that I received my box. Now, if you dolls are unfamiliar with this FabFit subscription service, as I get myself situated to show you what's in the box, I first want you to take a look at this. So dolls, what to love about FabFitFun? Where do I even begin? I'm starting off with their amazing value and how they are jam-packed with over $200 worth of full-size products for only $50 per season. And some of the products are definitely worth more than what you would pay for the entire box. Another thing is customization, okay? You get to pick what you want in your box, and it lets you customize many of the products that is available for you to be able to choose from. And can we talk about treating yourself? You get to discover new products and brands. It's like your birthday, but only 4 times a year. On top of the many other great benefits that it's showing you, FabFitFun actually gives back. Yes, so each box helps to raise funds for an awareness of several different nonprofits in which they have raised thousands of dollars for different charities and partners throughout the years. And speaking of raising, hello, they also support female business leaders. They all about women empowerment, and they're definitely dedicated to supporting female entrepreneurs. So many of the products in the box are from female founded companies. Where they do that at? FabFitFun, that is. And look at that, they even ship from the United States to Canada to even the United Kingdom. But wait, there's more. In addition to all the fabulous benefits and perks, I decided to save the best for last. They actually have flash sales. You get 8 flash sales a year that can help you save up to 70% off, and they have everything from beauty to skincare to even furniture and kitchen supplies, okay? And one other thing that they have that I feel no other subscription service is doing is they have FabFitFun TV. On that, you get to see on-demand fitness and cooking videos from experts like Venus Williams, hello, I love her, Jillian Michaels, and so many more. Okay, dolls, so now that I've shown you its benefits, let's get into this spring box that arrived. I am so excited. I'm in a way better mood now that my spring box have gotten here. OMG. Oh, so quickly, I'm so excited. So quickly, when you receive your box, it is going to come shipped to you exactly like how you are seeing it here. With the exception, the box may have some type of different pattern on it, but for the most part, this is how it's going to arrive. And it's going to come packed with goodies, and everything is in full size, okay? Full size product. So when I get it open, this is what it's looking like right here. And quickly, I'm seeing some cards like this is Discover Wine That You Love. Yes, I do love my wine, and it's a $45 credit. I got some pamphlets in here. This one is about free meals, okay, from HelloFresh. Hello, who don't like free meals, okay? I get 9 free meals, so you know I'm redeeming this. Yeah, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna put this right here. I'm redeeming that. And you get a fabulous FabFitFun spring magazine right here. So because this is spring, I got the spring magazine, which I will be reading after I do this video. Okay, let's get into the box. This is fun, this is fun. Okay, it's packaged, right? I so don't even want to rip the tissue paper. That's how cute everything is. Okay, okay. First thing out the box, I have an umbrella. How cute is this? I would open the umbrella, but I'm old school with the superstitions that you don't open an umbrella while you're indoors. So, but this is the umbrella, and it has some spring floral flowers on it. Love, love, love. Okay, so next out the bag is by Gravity, and this is a weighted sleep mask that looks like this right here. Let me get this open. What I'm really loving about this box is that everything is honestly in full size value. So this is the mask right here, and I take it and then I put it, you know, over my eyes as such, and it has weight on it. So this is going to be interesting to sleep. It gives you just enough pressure, you know, to help you relax. So I got that right there. Oh, I'm so excited. What's this right here? This here is a Stone Cold Fox tea towel. Okay, so this is a little towel. Let's get this out the packaging. So dogs, I kid you not, when I saw that my box arrived, it just jolted me into a better feeling, because 2020 is here and I'm definitely going to start doing things a whole lot differently. Okay, these are 2 towels, super cute. I'm loving the baby blue pattern that's on the towel. Got that right there. What is this? What is this? This is Well Traveled. Let's just get it open. I'm not even sure what this is. Let's just get it open and see. It's not telling me what it is, but it's something that says Caravan Well Traveled. Let's see what this is. This is so exciting. It's like a kid in a candy store. Ooh, what is this? Okay. Okay. This looks like a mat of some sort. Yeah, this looks like a mat. You know, you can put it in your kitchen. I'll put this in my kitchen on the floor. This is a mat. So cute. So cute. And now I have just a few more products in here, and then my box is done. Well, 4 more things. This here is a Fierce Flicks liquid eyeliner. This, when you get it out of this packaging, it looks like this right here. I am a mascara queen, so let's get this out. And this is Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. Looks like this right here. And let's see what it smells like. Okay, it don't have a overwhelming smell. It smells just like mascara for that matter. Got that right there. Then we have Deep Sleep Body Lotion, okay, and on it it says this works, okay. So right away this is telling me for you to put that on your packaging, this works, it must really do work. Let's give it a sniff. It smells just like the spa. Oh my gosh, this smells like you've been to the spa. And if you've been to a spa, you know that spa scent type thing that's going on. So that's this right here. But on that note, that just concluded my spring box. So I'm so excited to receive it and everything that was inside of it. What I'm really excited about is this Deep Sleep Body Lotion, because on it says this works and it does smell like the spa. So I definitely will be giving this a try first. I'm also going to jump right into, as soon as I end this video, go on HelloFresh and order me my 9 free meals, okay? I'm definitely getting that. And then for the rest of the day, I'm going to relax and read my FabFitFun magazine that came along with my spring box, because I'm looking forward to reading that. But on that note, dolls, this now concludes the video. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure you check out FabFitFun seasonal subscription service. It's definitely worth its weight in buy. And on that note, I'm going to put my stuff away, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.